Hello, this is a video tutorial about how to print debug messages onto the RTT viewer or uart interface in the Nordic nrf chipset. First, you need to download the SDK. The SDK version I'm using is 12.3. So you can open up a project. For example, I'm here. Open up BLE app Blinky, and in the SDK configuration here, you can switch to the configuration wizard. And the configuration wizard, you can see here our log is enabled, and currently we are using the uart as a debug message printout terminal. So what you can do is open up a terminal. For example, I like to use the term and set the speed, and then receiving to auto, and then you compile this project. You first flash the soft device, okay, yeah, then you again load the application. Now you can see that the blinky start. That is the message printed out. Now I would like to change it to the RTT to see the print message. What should I do? First, you need to go to the configuration and unselect this uart. Instead, you should use RTT. So click here and save that and compile that. Okay, now you need to open up the RTT. Here, set the target device, and here RTT control block. Don't use auto detection. Specify the address as 0 and okay. Then it shows you this window. Switch to the alt terminal and download the application again. Yeah, now we see the blinky start on the RTT view. Thank you for watching.